Boil leg piece. Add 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Add salt. Add peeled off potatoes. Turn the chicken into pieces. Mozzarella cheese. Grate the boiled potatoes. Mix well. You can also add soy sauce. Knead like a dough. Add salt. Black pepper 1 tablespoon. Chicken powder. Red chili powder ½ teaspoon. Corn flour 1 tablespoon. Mustard sauce 1 tablespoon. Mix well. Make balls. Fix on the leg bone. Repeat the procedure. Two eggs. Dip into the egg. Now dip in breadcrumbs. Repeat the procedure. Marinate for 2 hours. Heat to cup oil. Fry the chicken drumsticks. Now enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe.